Hello guys, today we are going to be learning HTML CSS. HTML, as you know, I've been posting games, just a single video. I'll post more about games. So how do you make games? You should also try to learn that. So today I'm gonna also tell you how to learn HTML. HTML is the easiest coding program and it's very easy for kids to learn. So first let me show you this. This is V3 Schools. It's a really good HTML learning. You can also learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, SQL, Python and Java and many more. So first let's start with HTML introduction. First, for the basics of HTML you need to learn tags. Tags are like HTML head, title, page title and all that. In HTML you write all the things like head, title, body, h1 means heading 1 and paragraph. So do you know the tab? The tab title? This is the title. You can write yourself and then you can see. This is doc tab HTML. If you add doc tab Python, it will be a Python, but not in V3 Schools because V3 Schools is particularly designed for only HTML. So if you even write here Python, nothing will happen. But you need to make sure that you write all of these things. HTML. HTML means hypertext. So first in the HTML you need to write the HTML tag, and then for writing title, first you need to write head, means the head of the program. Then in head you will write title, and then write the title. You can just change it, and when you click on run it will just run. This is the heading and this is the paragraph. It will not show the title because the title is the heading of the tab and there is no tab in here, so yeah, it will not show an title. But if you just backspace this like that and just write V3 Schools, sorry, W3 Schools, and then when you don't press enter, nothing will happen with enter. You press run, it will come the heading. And make sure when you write h1 means heading. If you just backspace this one, you need to backspace 1 over here too, or else it will give a error. It's same, but when you write h1 means heading 1, and heading 1 means it needs to be the biggest heading. Then you can even write heading 2. It is gonna be like heading 1 is this big. Okay, 1 minute. Sorry, I wrote 1h. You don't need to write 1h, you need to write h1 means heading 1. So when you write heading 1 just like this and you run it, the command, it will come the first bold heading, and then the second heading will be the smaller than the first heading, and then so on. You can write till 6 headings. Make sure when you write h1 you also write /h1. Slash comes with every closing tag like /title, /head, /html as well. So make sure you write h1 and paragraph in the body, or else it will give you an error. Not in this website. This is V3 Schools. If you are working on Notepad and making a game or a website like YouTube or something, so you should write body. Inside body this all comes. And yeah, if the closing tag, if the ending tag is not there, the closing tag would not be. And look, HTML is also giving the error because HTML needs body. So you should always give HTML a body like this. Okay, are you clear with basics? And paragraph, you can write unlimited paragraphs, as much paragraphs as you want. Let me show you like this. If I just copy this and press enter and then just paste this, you can write unlimited. Sorry, I didn't paste it. I didn't even copy it. Sorry, very sorry. Shape. Oh, sorry. Again, sorry. Control C. Now when you paste this, you can write unlimited paragraph, no matter, it will not give any error. You can even change the text of the paragraph, but You cannot change any tag. The tags are the rules of the HTML. So let's now just go back to HTML introductions. That's a higher stage. You can the link is v3schools.com HTML default ASP. I'm also gonna give the link in the description, so make sure to visit this website if you want to learn any type of coding, even JavaScript. I don't actually know what's JavaScript because I've just started learning HTML and I am till HTML styles. Yeah, over here if you can see my cursor. Now you need to go on HTML introductions. When you come on HTML introductions, you will first see this. This tells you all the things. That was just the home. This is kind of what you're seeing. It tells you all the elements, tags, what they mean, what they do. This is an important point. If you want, you can highlight it. Then all the tags are given here, and then when you're done with introduction, come on exercise, okay? Don't skip it. In exercise, you can give all the things, you get all the, like basically, what do I call those? Question and answers. Hypertext markup language is the full form of HTML, okay? Make sure you do that. And then you just need to click on next question. And then H1. Which one of the following headers as the correct HTML below? This is wrong too. This one should be correct, yes. And then you can just go on, there will be 3 questions. There will be 4, 5, 6, 7, many more questions. Elemental HTML, you can ask this from Google. I know it's being there. Yes. Next chapter. Then you come on HTML basics. The basics of HTML. That's all those names, all of these things, dot type declaration, and H1 to H6. It's also explaining you the thing that you can write in heading 6, and you can also just click on write yourself and write. Then paragraphs, another paragraph. As I told you, you can write in many paragraphs. It's not important to write P1 and P2. In heading, if you write H1 and then H2, the H1 heading will be bigger, this one, and H2 will be smaller, and then H3 will be more smaller than H2. Okay? So if you don't write one, all of the headings will be of the same size. And if you write only one heading, you also need to write one. One is very important for the heading to be big, small, or smallest. If you just backspace this H1 and only write H2, your heading will be smaller than H1. But there is no H1, means heading 1. So yeah. And then when you are done with HTML basics, you can go with exercise. When you are done with exercise, you should go with code challenge. HTML basic code challenge. It gives you the challenge to make a simple text, a simple body page here, and then check code, you will have the result here, okay? So make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in another video. Take care and bye bye.